If you're a cat owner, you know how important it is to keep your home clean and odor-free. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best cat litter box can make all the difference in maintaining a fresh, comfortable space for both you and your pet. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Suzzipaws Cat Litter Box. If you're looking for a smart, dependable solution for managing cat messes, the Suzzipaws Cat Litter Box is a standout choice, especially for high-paying cats. It features a reinforced plastic enclosure that clasps tightly onto the high-sided stainless steel litter box, ensuring that the sides stay firmly in place when your cat hops in and out. This overlap design keeps urine inside the box instead of leaking through seams, making it an excellent choice for those with cats prone to high spraying. Measuring an impressive 23.6 inches long by 16 inches wide, this extra-large litter pan gives big cats or multi-cat households plenty of space for privacy and ease of movement. The 12-inch high walls are cleverly designed to wrap around corners, preventing litter scatter and offering added privacy. The stainless steel construction is another highlight, offering a smooth, non-stick surface that makes waste removal effortless. Unlike plastic, stainless steel doesn't absorb odors. Number 2. Lobeve Steel Litter Box. For cat owners seeking durability and convenience, the Lobeve Steel Litter Box is a thoughtfully designed, long-lasting option that makes litter box maintenance far easier. Unlike traditional plastic litter boxes, this one is built from durable stainless steel, designed to last up to 5 years without warping or deteriorating. The metal surface ensures odors and waste won't cling to it, keeping your cat's space hygienic and your home smelling fresh. It's extra large too, measuring 23.6 inches by 15.7 inches by 16 inches, making it ideal for bigger cats or multi-cat households. With a generous 20-liter capacity, you can go up to 30 days without needing a full litter change, making it an ideal solution for busy pet owners. One of its most appealing features is the modular enclosure system that lets you choose between a fully enclosed litter box and a semi-enclosed setup. The enclosed version provides a private space for your cat while containing odors and litter, while the semi-enclosed setup is perfect for cats who prefer a more open environment. The dual-entry options add another layer of customization. Owners can choose between top entry and front entry access depending on their cat's habits and mobility needs. This is particularly useful for households with older or short-legged cats who might have difficulty climbing into traditional boxes. Number 3. Invenho Extra Large Litter Box. When it comes to providing a hygienic, odor-free environment for your feline friends, the Invenho Extra Large Litter Box excels in both design and practicality. Its standout feature is its overlap installation system, where the 6-inch high walls combine with the stainless steel litter pan to prevent urine leaks and keep litter from splashing out when your cat digs. It's an ideal option for high-paying cats and enthusiastic diggers who tend to make a mess of standard litter boxes. The box's spacious size, measuring 23.2 by 15.7 by 12.2 inches, offers ample room for big cats or multiple cats to comfortably do their business while maintaining their sense of privacy and security. Durability is a strong point here, with the premium stainless steel material offering a lifespan of up to 5 years. Unlike plastic options, it won't warp, rust, or absorb unpleasant odors, keeping your home fresher and more hygienic. The smooth, non-stick surface ensures that waste slides off easily, making cleanup a breeze. A quick rinse and wipe are all it takes to maintain a clean and odor-free litter box. It also holds up to 20 liters of litter, providing a 30-day capacity for adult cats. Perfect for those who don't want to be constantly changing litter. Number 4. Hapaw Litter Box with Lid. The Hapaw Litter Box with Lid offers a sleek, modern solution for cat owners who value both functionality and aesthetics. Its standout feature is a clever 135-degree flip-top design, allowing you to open just the top lid for quick scooping rather than removing the entire cover. This makes daily maintenance faster and less messy. Built from durable 201 stainless steel, the litter box bottom basin outlasts traditional plastic models, resisting deformation, scratches, and rust. The smooth, non-stick surface ensures that waste won't cling, making it easy to clean and helping eliminate lingering odors. One of its most impressive features is the anti-urine leakage system. The middle cover includes bilateral baffles to contain urine and litter within the box, while a built-in carbon bag at the vents actively absorbs odors, keeping your space fresher for longer. The box also offers front and top dual entry options, with a rotatable latch that controls your cat's access. This satisfies cats' varying preferences and can make access easier for older or short-legged pets. With its generous dimensions of 23.62 by 15.74 by 15.35 inches. Number 5. Urpower Cat Litter Box. The Urpower Cat Litter Box is an outstanding option for cat owners who need a sturdy, reliable, and hygienic litter solution, especially for high-paying cats and multi-cat homes. Made from premium stainless steel, this litter box is rust-resistant, scratch-proof, and easy to clean. Unlike plastic options, it won't absorb odors or stains, keeping your home fresher for longer. Its smooth, non-stick surface makes waste removal effortless, requiring only a quick rinse or wipe to maintain cleanliness. Designed for high-paying cats, the fully enclosed design ensures a mess-free litter area by preventing scattered litter and urine spills. Measuring an extra-large 23.8 by 16.5 by 15.2 inches, it offers roomy space for large cats or multiple pets.